Whatever happened to
Robot Jones?
Whatever happened to
Robot Jones?
PE to PE.
Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey.
Would you like
Anything else, dear?
No.
I can see you are full. Little robot, come down and have some breakfast.
No time, Mom Unit. I am going to be late for school.
I've got a new brand of energy. It is made from wind power. 100% organic. How about a quick quart of oil? A lube a day keeps the rust away.
Mom, I am not rusting. Anyway, I'll grab something in auto shop.
Well, don't forget your daily programming. Your task is to fully study all aspects of junior high physical education. I have obtained the one supply item listed. It is named Jockstrap.
Quite perplexing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get those bodies moving. Work those muscles, stretch those limbs, rattle them bones. Be all you can be in Polynew PE.
Poor, pitiful, inefficient humans. How ridiculous they look. Robots are truly superior.
Well, what do we have here? Well, Jones, you joined up just in time. Look at those scrawny arms. Come on, let's get you started. We'll just have you do some push-ups like Royce here. Unorthodox form, but what stamina! Let's try some other exercises.
Data log entry. Middle school physical education involves rapidly changing position in a repetitive manner. As a robot, I am highly compatible with this objective. I have performed all tasks with optimum efficiency. I shall complete my daily programming with flying colors.
Fantastic! You know, the rest of you could learn a lot from Jones here. All right, kids, hit the showers.
Showers. Direct me to these showers so that I may hit them. Must locate showers.
Follow me, man. I'm heading that way.
That human had no protective cloth layer. Humans disrobing? For what purpose? Excuse me, teacher. How does human nakedness interface with physical education?
A clean body is a healthy body, Jones. Now hit the showers.
Hey! The robot's afraid to show his naked metal butt!
I totally blew it in gym today. I did not know that showers contain small droplets of water. Water makes robots rust.
Hello, little robot. How did your programming on physical education go today?
Extremely difficult task. Too difficult to complete.
Your answer does not compute. You must try again tomorrow.
But
Tomorrow, robot.
tomorrow,
Tarhausen, check. Zambini, check. Jones? Robot Jones? Jones. Look, I understand your reluctance to take a shower.
you do.
Sure, lots of boys are shy about public showering, but you can't let your embarrassment get in the way of good hygiene.
But that's not.
The faster you get it over with, the better you'll feel. Now take off your clothes and get in the shower.
What clothes?
Now, Jones, I'm beginning to lose my patience. Take off your clothes.
Error. My outer chassis is a protective layer composed of 70% steel and 30% chrome. The red paint, well, I look good in red.
You kids and your crazy fashions. Chrome, steel, whatever. It's gotta come off.
If you insist. Follow these simple instructions to remove my chassis.
Unscrew linchpin A from socket B. Where the heck is socket B or linchpin A? Okay, you can wear your chassis. Just get in the shower.
Sorry, no time. Must hurry to my next educational segment.
For your own good, I am gonna get you wet, Jones. One way or another.
See you tomorrow.
That's it! That's the last time you get saved by the bell. Tomorrow, you take your shower at the start of gym class. Tomorrow, you take your shower at the start of gym class.
Robot, it's time for school.
Go.
Welcome, Mr. Jones. It's time to come clean.
No.
Oh, yeah. To the showers!
Fly tactical error. Well, nice knowing you. My metallic casing is unaffected. I'm not rusting. Data log entry. I have fully studied all aspects of PE, including the repetitive activities, the human natureness, and public showering. I have also learned that water does not always cause rusting. I conclude there is no harm in a robot taking a shower. Yes, Mr. Workout. Mr. Workout. Oh my. You could really use a shower.